What I'm about to show you involves two jokers, a selected card, a sandwich, a secret move, and a part in the trick that makes you go, what? Not you, me. It makes me do that every time. And I know how it works. So check this out. We'll start with a shuffled deck of cards. These are the two jokers. They go face up on the top. And now we need a selected card. So choose any card. I'll help out a little. Let's just say the Queen of Diamonds. This is the part when we make a sandwich, where the two jokers are on the outside and the selected card is safely secured in between. This is the secret move, and this is the part that makes you go, what? Not you, me. It makes me do that every time. And I even know how it works. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you're used to handling cards, then this is a fairly easy trick to learn. If you're not, it's probably a little more challenging, but comparatively, it's still an easy trick. And remember, if you don't want to know the secrets, then watch no further, because once you do know, you can't unknow. We'll give a couple seconds for those who don't want to know. Okay, here we go. This trick is inspired by Point of Departure by Alex Elmsley, which is a sandwiched card to pocket routine. There are dozens of variations to this trick, including Last Minute Departure, Another Departure, Card Vanish Supreme by Ed Marlowe, Instant Departure, Royal Detectives, and the list goes on. This trick uses a normal deck of cards, no gimmicks, no extra or duplicate cards. You do not have to force a card onto someone. Any card can be freely selected, and there are only two moves to learn. This is a very short routine, so I'll show the moves as we go through it. Remove the two jokers. The deck can be thoroughly shuffled by you or anyone else. I simply showed a spread so you could see it shuffled. These are the exact moves from the routine. Place the two jokers face down on top of the shuffled deck. Present your jokers by pushing them out and flipping them over. You can get a nice flip by pushing them and angle the rest of the deck a little like this. You got your fingers sticking out, run these edges right in there and angle these so it's like a V, and gravity is helping, and then just flip them over. As you're explaining that the jokers go face up on the top, push them out and hold them with your thumb. Transfer the grip with this middle finger and the thumb from your other hand and pull them out. When you come back, this joker is going to get jammed right into this hand and pushed in. And then you're going to grab that top joker as this sort of comes down. You're going to pull the top joker and place this one on top. This is a misdirection bluff move. It appears as if you're doing something like possibly loading a card in between, but you're not. It's completely legit. Have someone select a card and flip it over so everyone can see. Place that pack down and square it up. Notice the placement of the packs. Peel off the first joker and place this pack next to the pack with the selected card. Pick up the pack with the selected card, and we're going to peel the two. Notice how the joker is jammed into my palm here. You're going to take the packet and you're going to put it in that same position. And it doesn't even matter if the joker winds up on the bottom, because you're going to use this index finger and this thumb to now pull the top and bottom cards off simultaneously and place this pack down. Everything is still legit. No secret moves have been performed. Pick up the pack with the last joker. Do the same maneuver as before, this time placing the two cards on the bottom. Grab the top and bottom cards and pull them off simultaneously. Place this pack on top of this pack and slide it. A person's eyes will automatically focus on a moving object rather than a non-moving object. So doing that little slide is a momentary misdirection to what just happened over here, which is the first secret move, where you've stolen the selected card using a biddle steal, and now it's reversed in the middle over here. So after stealing the selected card, place this pack on top of this pack and slide a little bit. Now you're only holding the two jokers. It's supposed to be 3 cards. It's supposed to be the 2 jokers and the selected card. Hold these cards in this position with your thumb pressed here, and always keep your index finger in front right here, because if they separate, somebody's liable to see it's only 2 cards. So keep your finger in front, pinch the card with your thumb right here, and jammed in between your palm. So you can let these fingers go. This is the way you want to hold it, like this. Turn the packet over, maintain the same hold as you had before, where you can move these fingers away. Come over here, pinch that top card, pull it out, and flip it over. Now I'm doing it that way as opposed to pushing it over and flipping it. Remember, you're supposed to have 3 cards, and that kind of doesn't look natural. So pinch it, pull it out, and flip it over. Place your middle finger on the top edge, and your thumb on the bottom edge. Not in the middle, but off to this corner near this pinky here. Bring them around, show the other joker, come back around. Notice the position of this pinky and where this thumb is. As I come back around, this pinky gets placed right there. So the pinky is now a stop. Because what we're going to do, we're going to mimic something that requires 3 cards, where you slide the top card, push the middle card, and the bottom card actually acts as a stop, and you're showing a middle card. But guess what? We don't have 3 cards. We have 2 cards. So this is a bluff move. Keep your index finger curled underneath here, and your thumb should meet your pinky right there. Slide the top card down, put your thumb here, and your middle finger on this card. You're going to need a little bit of a sticky finger or tacky. Make sure it grips that, and push them forward. And notice how my thumb, or the pinky, acts as a stopper. Hold right here and slide that card back into the middle with your index finger. So this is a bluff slide alignment. It appears as if there's a middle card in the midst, but in this case there is no middle. It's only these 2 jokers. Flatten your hand and place the packet on top. Flatten your other hand and cover. Keeping your hands as flat as possible, move them to this position. Now, as fast as you can and without your spectators noticing, pray that they enjoy the trick. Twist your hands, cup and contain both jokers, 1 in each hand, and throw them down. Show your hands empty, show the backs, show their faces, and do the final reveal following the pattern. And I even know how it works.